Hey y'all, or should I say hey kiddies? Anyway, I'm lame. So this is a short video within the video to let you all know that I did this voiceover so many times that my voice sounds like I've been in the field all day. And then only certain people can laugh at that. And then yes, this is a late upload. I apologize. I've been trying to upload between 12:30 p.m. to 1. Anywho, if you watch My Wife and Kids, you'll get that reference. Anyway, sorry for the interruption. I got a phone call from my new boss. I am so excited. I'll do a video on this particular week in general soon, because it's all I can do is thank God, like literally. But I try to upload videos, or try to make it where I only upload videos once a week on Saturdays, anywhere from 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. or 1 p.m. And I'm trying to make that my standard upload time. So one thing about this app, it will shut off on me while I'm talking. So expect videos on that day, during those times. Me talking in public is still new to me, so please be patient. But I appreciate whoever watches them. Like, I appreciate it so much. So thank you, and enjoy the video.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, my hair is just horrible. Makes me sick. Sick. Do this anymore. So I'm going to do my hair again. So all you need is clips, Flexi rods. I got the gray ones. Some foam wrap. End papers are optional, and a styling comb. So I part my hair into sections and clip the rest of the hair away. And now I have, like, first of all, look how long my hair has gotten. Like, what? Period. So now I'm using my foam wrap. I'm using the Nairobi brand, and I'm mainly focusing that product on my ends. And if you want to use end papers, you really just do like a book folding method at the end, and then you take your Flexi rod and you roll it. But I normally don't do that. I really just wanted to do that just to show y'all how to do it. Okay, so here I am rolling it up, making sure the ends are covered, so make sure those are coated very well with the foam wrap. And here I slowed down the footage just so I can show you I do this twist thing every time I roll my hair, so that way my roots don't get puffy. And you secure it, and there you go. And another thing, when you're adding the foam wrap, don't add it throughout the whole strand. At least when your hair is already straightened, just add it at the end. Y'all, the way my arms are hurting right now, I could punch the air, but I chose to do this. So I'm gonna keep going. Because all I have is this part left. Okay, so this is my final form for tonight. I am done. My hands hurt. I am tired. At least I did my entire head that night. And I'm so glad that I finished. Because, listen, I had somewhere to go the next day. Like, yeah, so I'm going to sleep. And now it's the next day. Slept in a satin cap. And then I spray my hair with some oil sheen hairspray. And now it's time for the takedown to see the final product. Okay, so as you can see, I was ecstatic. Okay, yes, I know it was low-key lame, but I was really excited. Like, I really had somewhere to go that morning. So I was happy. I was hyped. So as you saw me, what I just did is I sprayed my white tooth comb with hairspray in a way to like set the hair. And trigger warning for anybody during this time, I do destroy my curls. I don't know if destroy is the best word, but I do comb out my curls. I do like big fluffy curls, so that's what I'm doing, just taking them down, combing them out some, not all the way. So if they look a little or a lot of frizzy, at that point I really didn't mind, because that's the look I was going for. Look at this. Look at this. Look at me, for one. Look at me. It's the me for me. It's the me for me. Like, look at the back. Look at my Reese's hair color. And then I did a slow down. Excuse the sound that you hear in the background. The air conditioner just cut on. Or the heater, I should say, because it is cold outside. But look at me. Look at my hair. I'm fluffing it. The way that I snap, though. Never mind that about 2 hours later, most of my curls fell. Let's not focus on that. The main focus is how I look right now in this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see next. Bye. Hi, it's me again. Okay. I am so childish. Anyway, pop up at the end of the video to ask y'all, or whoever watches my content, what would you like to see on my channel? Yes, I am very into makeup. I like, hair videos. I like doing that. But if there's anything else y'all want to see from me, let me know. Okay. See y'all in the next upload.